I was going to give an update on my garden. And Elbows Malone, he kind of asked what the status was on my bucket garden or ergo garden, how it turned out. I'll show what's left of it, and I'll kind of add some still snapshots of the garden, you know, as it was progressing. So what do we have left? And on this one, you know, I would really like my buddy Cutworm to comment and kind of describe and put a twist in how he would describe how Brussels sprouts grow. You know, I'm sure he's probably got a real cool name for it that we will all enjoy. So let's take a look at what is left of Busman54's ergo garden. Yeah, Brussels sprouts. Look at those. We got 4 plants in here, as you can see. And then we have some more Brussels sprouts. And here, more Brussels sprouts. Isn't it interesting, you know? First time I ever grew Brussels sprouts, I was told that, you know, they're a late cold weather plant, and you really don't want to pick them until after the first frost, because they said someone said if you pick them earlier than that, they're bitter. So, okay, Cutworm, come on, buddy, help us out. How would you describe a plant like this, besides just being delicious? I was also told as they grow, you pull these weeds. There ain't a weed here. That's why we grew them in the bucket. Pull their leaves that are dying off, so they just keep getting taller and growing these little jewels. Look at that. Yes, indeed. So my bucket garden, over there's what's the rest of it. Got my car trailer, put the buckets to use covering it up. You know, the old legs and feet not doing good. So we went to a car show in Effingham and I had to rent a golf cart. Well, under that blue tarp, I bought me a used golf cart. Now I got these things sitting outside because in those buildings, there's one there, there's one there, I got Volkswagens, and I got Volkswagens by the buildings. And I got, of course, my big bus in that garage. So, just had friends of mine that have a landscaping company. They came and vacuumed and cleaned all my leaves up. And the leaves are pretty much off the trees. Hand's a little wobbly there. So there you go, Cutworm. Come up with a good description. So, I'm gonna go inside and show you something else that my son and I started. Okay, back in the garage. I think I mentioned in the last update of, you know, the kind fella that gave me the dishwasher that created, yeah, it's time to update the kitchen project before old Gobble Gobble Turkey Day. So this weekend, yesterday, we had a good day. My son and I, you know, making progress on our kitchen project. Let me show you. So we made backsplashes, and here's one. This is copper. So that's the backsplash, one of them for the smaller counter. Made, you know, the countertops and laminate. This is laminate that got cut out from where the kitchen sink will go. It's kind of got a marble look to it. And boy, house was pretty stinky with that contact cement. Yeah, the garage is a mess. Oh my goodness. But I mean, we made progress. What I'm looking for is like Busman54. You make do with what you have. And how would I know what I have in this mess? Just pieces of laminate. What I'm looking for is I made a cutter to score and cut this laminate with. Let's see if I can find it. There's a roller. Yep, you get the laminate on, you glue it, you roll it, and let's see. This is my Ryobi. That's a laminate router, or bit, or edge. Trims the edge, makes it flush. Where? Boy. It might be inside. It's a highly precision tool. The handle's made with cushion with duct tape. Let me go inside and we'll let you. Okay, back inside. Here's the countertop we were working on and built. So the backsplash is just kind of sitting on there, not bolted on yet. Waiting for my son to get up. He's kind of resting up from a long day. There's the cutout for the sink, and then the backsplash. And this is that tool I was telling you about. So there you go, Busman54. Buddy, I'm like you. I needed something to cut kitchen laminate with. So the way it works is you use a backwards motion, you score it. You flip the laminate upside down, and let me see if I can demonstrate a little. This will be hard. Like, here's a piece of the laminate. So really you flip it upside down and you score it. Just, of course it's going to move. And as you keep doing this, it cuts and digs out, and then you snap it and break it like drywall. And that's my high-tech ergonomics handle. So today we were going to get the backsplash done, and oh yeah, you see, looks like paint. So behind there we're going to paint, we're going to paint the kitchen this dark gray color. Should really go nice with the laminate. And so after I get done uploading this video, I'm going to take them outlet covers off. Try to sneak back there and get a little edge painting so we can put this countertop in. Then we'll probably have to take a trip to town to get some plumber's putty. This is the sink. It's a copper sink, hammer finish copper sink. But need to get some plumber's putty for putting our strainer baskets in. And so yeah, this has been our, let's see if we can get this ready for Thanksgiving. You know, besides the painting, and the sink and the plumbing in that hole, if you see, there's a dishwasher over there in the mudroom, and we'll put that. And then the cluttered countertop, I got those done. So after the this is in place, so after we have this in place, let me do this. Okay, so after we get the countertop and we get the copper sink and the new faucets and we install the dishwasher, we will paint the kitchen, and then we have all new flooring. So then we start putting the floor down. And man, if we get that, I don't know, I think the floor might be something we'll save for Kris Kringle and not Tom the Turkey, because I think getting the dishwasher, sink, countertops all in place, getting all the sawdust out of the kitchen so our Thanksgiving dinner doesn't taste like particle board or laminate. I don't think we're gonna have time to do the whole floor. So, you know, we'll just have to do that for old Santa, you know, and our goal would be Christmas Eve. Well, this has been long. Just want to let you guys know what we've been up to. Again, watch your videos, enjoy them. And I'm gonna hit the record button, let you know what old Best Man's up to. That's it for the update on the garden, the kitchen project, and come on, Cutworm, I'm counting on you. Come up with something really cool describing them Brussels sprout plants. All right, that's it. Busman54 out.